Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my akara. Come along with me and let's do this together. For today's recipe we'll be using beans. This is black eyed beans. You can use the brown beans if you want. Seasoning, onion, crayfish powder, salt, tatase. This is sombo, and this is rodo or scotch bonnet pepper, and of course we'll be needing oil for frying. I'll be adding water to it just to cover it, and I'll leave it to soak for about 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you what to do next. There are so many ways of peeling beans. You can put in between your palm and rub until all the peels are removed, but today I won't be doing that. I'll be showing you my own method. My method today is you get your grater and we are using the big side of it. So what you do is you just take the beans and rub it on the grater. It's so easy to do this way. Just keep on rubbing until you are sure that the peels are off the beans. So what I'll be doing now is I'll go and wash these beans and get it ready for blending. Our beans are well washed, it's clean, all the peels gone. I'll be adding sombo, but this is optional, and because I'm using sombo I'll just add half of my tatase. I will start with that first. If I need more I will add the remaining half. Then one scotch bonnet pepper because I don't want it to be spicy. Then the onion. The measurement of everything I'm using will be in the description box. Please do check it out. And I also want to say, if you like what you have seen so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe if you have not, and a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you. You're ready to blend now. So I just want to add small water, a little bit of water, because it's akara. You don't want too much water. You see that it's not watery and it's not too thick. This is the way we want it because we are making akara. So what are we doing? Because I love my akara to be very fluffy. So what are we doing is, to get that, I'll be blending it the second time. I've used the whole of the tatase because I liked it this way. I like the color this way. So I'll be blending the second time to get that fluffiness we need. And while doing that, I'll pour in my crayfish. 1 cube of the seasoning. I'm using knorr chicken, and pinch of salt because I want everything to be well blended. There are some other ways you can do this. You can make your akara to be fluffy. One is the traditional way, where you put it in your bowl and you now take your wooden stick to stir it. You keep on stirring until it's very fluffy, or you can put it in your standing mixer or hand mixer and mix it. You can take your spoon and whisk until it is fluffy. But I find this so easy to do. Just put it in your blender blend it the second time and it to be very fluffy. You can see so smooth, and see, very fluffy. It's time for us to go and fry. You can see that our oil is ready for frying when I put the stick in. So we need our oil to be on low heat, not too high because it's going to be burnt. It will appear as if it is well cooked, but the inside will be raw, and not too low because it's going to make the akara to be soggy, and we don't want that. Just look at them, fresh and beautiful. So what are you going to use to accompany this to your wonderful throat? Bread? Oh, I can get bread. Oh God. Pap? Oh God. Our akara is served. We have bread, I can get bread, and we have ogi or pap or akam. With the akara. The best breakfast in the whole wide world. It's time for me to go and enjoy my ogi, akamo, custard, whatever you want to call it, with the evaporated milk. There's bread by the side and the akara. Till the next time, bye.